How to log into your account in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you're in the app, you might see a welcome screen or this kind of app interface. If you see the welcome screen first, you might see the option to sign in. You can simply tap on the sign in button and go ahead with the login process. But if you see the interface like this, now in order to log into your account, here in the bottom right corner you can see the account section, tap on it. Now over here you can see the sign in button, you can simply tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to the sign in page. You have different options in order to sign in with your Google account, your Amazon account or your Facebook account. So you can choose your preferred method. You need to remember that you must have already created your account in order to sign in. I created my account previously with my Amazon account, so I'll select continue with Amazon option. You can provide your login details. And there you go. That's how you can easily log into your account in Grubhub app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.